How to bold text in an email on Gmail with this easy guide. Whether you're a newcomer to Gmail or a seasoned user looking to refine your email formatting skills, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Gmail and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to decide whether you're starting a brand new email or replying to an existing one. For both options, simply click on Compose to start fresh or Reply to respond to a recent message. This will open up the email draft window where you can begin creating your message. Next, go ahead and write your email as you normally would in the body section. You don't need to worry about formatting just yet. Focus on conveying your message or information clearly. Once you have your text written, identify the section you want to emphasize by bolding. Now, let's highlight the text you've decided to emphasize. You can do this either by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text or by using your keyboard to select it. Simply place your cursor at the start of the text, hold down the Shift key, and use the arrow keys to select it completely. With your desired text selected, we'll move on to applying bold formatting, and there are 3 straightforward ways you can do this in Gmail. To begin with, the first option involves using the toolbar button. Look towards the bottom of your Compose window and you'll see a toolbar with several icons. Find the letter B. This is your bold option. Simply click on it and voila, your highlighted text will change to a bold font. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, there's a quicker alternative. On a Windows computer, you'll want to press Ctrl and B simultaneously. On a Mac, you'll use CMD and B. This method is perfect for those who prefer using the keyboard over the mouse. Lastly, you can apply bold formatting through the Format menu. Begin by clicking the More Formatting Options button, which looks like an A icon located in the same toolbar. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear. Simply scroll to the bold option and click on it. This will apply the bold formatting to your selected text, and there you have it. By following one of these methods, you can easily make your emails more readable and organized, emphasizing key points with bold text. Gmail offers great versatility and ease of use, making tasks like this simple and efficient. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy guides on Gmail and other tech tips. See you in the next video.